Hello students, today we are going to read another chapter, a new chapter in the model series. So Niharika, take the question.
Sir, please explain me should have model.
Should have model. Guys, Niharika coverage asking that we have to explain should have models. Guys, remember that should have model is used to express grief, regret. Is that clear? Regret and missed opportunity and criticisms which happened in the past time according to past accident. Is that clear?
Yes.
So guys, if you want to use should have, then you have to remember a rule that we have to use MB's third form with the should have. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Guys, for example, we use a word like करना चाहिए था. Is that clear? करना चाहिए था. It's mean this word belong to should have model. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Niharika, please give one more example.
हमें लिखना चाहिए था.
हमें लिखना चाहिए था. Okay, Mansa.
तुम्हें इंग्लिश बोलना चाहिए था.
Okay, Anil, you.
मुझे खाना खाना चाहिए था.
Okay, Aves.
उसे पढ़ना चाहिए था.
उसे पढ़ना चाहिए था. Okay, and then after I will ask Aditya.
उसे सोचना चाहिए था.
उसे सोचना चाहिए था. Okay, so guys, you are looking that we are using चाहिए था. It's mean it will be belong to should have model. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will explain you the formula and the structure for the should have models. Guys, according to positive sentence, we have to use subject, should have, and this third form, then object. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. According to negative sentence, subject plus should not have, and this third form, then object. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
According to interrogative sentence, should, okay, subject have, and this third form, then symbol of interrogation. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
According to interrogative negative sentence, should, subject not have, plus and this third form, then object. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, now I will convert a Hindi sentence into English on the help of this structure. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
For example, आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए थी. आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए थी. According to positive sentence, you should have spoken English. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
According to negative sentence, you should not have spoken the English. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
According to interrogative sentence, should you have spoken English and symbol of interrogation. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, according to interrogative and negative sentence, should you not have spoken English, symbol of interrogation. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So guys, you are looking that in all sentence we are using should have. Why? Because we are using a word चाहिए था. Is that clear?
Yes.
So for that situation we use should have models. And guys, I hope you have understood about this model. And guys, if you like this VR, then you can follow us at our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more interesting English tricky and funny video, then you can visit at our official website, whose official URL link is www.navya.in. And guys, you can contact us at our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.
All the best.